Hello everyone, we will learn how to build a HTML page and render that on your web browser from scratch. So for that you will require few things. First requirement will be an editor. If you have Notepad in your computer, that will also work. But I will always suggest you to download some good editor that will help you improving your code. So if you don't have any advanced editor, you can simply open your Notepad and start coding. And if you want to download an advanced editor, you can download VS Code. I will provide the link of how to download the VS Code in the description. I will be using VS Code. So let's get started. So what is HTML? So if you want to talk to someone, the first requirement is that you should know in which language the person whom you want to talk will understand your message. So in a similar way, we are going to talk to our web browser, and the language which we are going to use to talk to our web browser is the HTML language. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and this language instructs our web browser what to display and what to do after that. So we will begin to create a basic HTML file, then you are going to get a better idea. So let's get started. So open a VS Code. So your VS Code will look something like this. So here click on the file menu and click on the new file. So that will open a new file. First we should save this file. Control S and name the file whatever you want. So here I'm going to save our first step .html. Don't forget to add this .html extension. So this .html will make this file as HTML file. So here tags are the basic building blocks of an HTML language. So what is tag? So any instruction you are going to write inside angle brackets are going to called as tags. For example, tag and this. So this will become your tag. So we are going to put different tags and make a HTML file, and that HTML file we are going to provide to our browser, and browser will display whatever we are going to tell it. So let's get started and make our first HTML file. So basic structure of our HTML file will remain always the same. So we are going to start with an HTML tag, and whatever comes inside this HTML tags will be your HTML file content. So inside this HTML tag, your whole code is further divided into two main parts. So first is head and the body. So the head tag will contain all the metadata or subdata, or you can say all the settings of your web page, and body will contain actual data which we are going to display on the web browser. So let's try to add some text to this body and we'll see the output on the web browser. So here I'm gonna add a text. This is my first HTML file. I will save it. Now we'll see how to run this HTML file. So open your File Explorer. Here go to the folder where you have saved this file. All you have to do is to double click this file. So now you can see your first HTML file is displayed on the web browser. So till this, we are pretty good to get started with HTML file. In the upcoming videos, we are going to talk deeply about these head and body tags, and as well as many other tags. So till then, you can make a basic HTML file like this and try to display different tags on your web browser. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.